Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco F3 and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's go to the left side to the settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and here let's slide a little bit down to the press and hold shutter button option. When we tap here, we can decide to use this as record video, burst shot and defocus. So let me pick the burst shot and let's move back to the camera now. And now when I tap on the shutter a little bit longer, I can take the burst shot. Here we have the countdown, many pictures at the same time. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.